Hey sneaker fan, welcome back to Superb Unboxing. Today we are unboxing and review the Air Jordan 4 Retro Bred Reimagined. Stay with us, we check out everything about this sneaker. And this video is sponsored by KicksX.cn, a great website that offer high quality replica sneakers. If you are looking of top brand like Nike, Adidas, Off-White, Gucci and Air Jordan, this website link in my description box. Go and check it out. Let's go with the music vibe unboxing. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest video update. Let's do it.